Hey, what's going on everyone? It's your boy Alter Tech, back again with a new video, and as many of you guys and girls know, the Galaxy S10 is coming out and I will be at the premiere event. So as a little favor, could you please just hit me down in the comments and let me know what you want to see. Now, whether it be the triple camera system, whether it be the display, whether it be the built-in fingerprint reader, or maybe there's like a new AI camera or something out there, who knows. So go ahead and let me know in the comment section what you want to see, because I might get maybe 5 or maybe 10 minutes on this device. So time is limited and I want to get as much as I can, and I want to pick the features that you, the viewers, actually want to see. So as for me, I am a big photography fan. Well, I love taking pictures, especially on smartphones, and for years I've been researching and doing a lot of camera comparisons and whatnot. So Galaxy S10, let me know what you guys and girls think. And I'll make down a list. I'll put the little gloves on and I'll get the little marker out and I'll make a list, and I'll try to cut it down to maybe 3 or 4. I want to hear what you the viewers, you watching this video is for you. I want to hear what you want to see. What are you excited about? I still haven't received the Android Pie update on my Galaxy S9 for the cricket variants. Now I'm not in a rush, but as a tech reviewer, you want to get these things as soon as possible. So it's going to be on February 20th. And one last thing, last year the Galaxy S9 event, premiere event, I was there, and it was my first time vlogging. It was truly horrible, and I want to do a redemption video. Right now I'm trying to lose a lot of weight right now and be camera ready. In honor of the Samsung 10, I am trying to lose 10 pounds by February 20th. If you want to join me and lose some weight, maybe lose 10 pounds or maybe 8 pounds, 5 pounds, whatever, 2 pounds, whatever it may be, go ahead, try to get fit, try to get healthy. I'm not telling you how to live your life. I'm just saying, just take care of your body. Sometimes we take our bodies for granted, and as a tech creator, content creator, man, it's so easy to just grab content and come home and glue your butt on this chair and just sit there for hours and just try to create content and not really take care of yourselves. So Samsung Galaxy S10, let me know what you guys or girls want. I will give it to you, and I haven't made a live stream, so I'm hoping for this week to do my first live stream. So if you want to join me in my live stream, go ahead, let me know. We can get together and stuff. And I was thinking about doing a little collab video with Savage Scientist. Man, I'm watching his video. His videos are pretty much savage. Damn, like to the extreme. It was like watching some ECW wrestling or something, man. That was some extreme stuff with what he did to that lift, whatever it was, that lift, whatever, I don't know what that was, but it was pretty crazy. But I thought it was funny too. It was funny in a way. So I do have a good sense of humor, man. I love laughing and stuff. I love making jokes and stuff. So if I could do a funny collaboration video with that dude, that'd be pretty cool. So, and shout out to C Butler, Tech Leads. Tech Leads, I think Tech Leads should be getting a lot more views with that camera comparison videos. Now, if you go on YouTube right now and just type in OnePlus 6T versus iPhone XS camera comparison, and you're gonna find a whole bunch of crap and stuff that isn't even related to the iPhone X or the OnePlus 6T camera. And buried down somewhere, you're gonna find Tech Leads they probably I don't even know if they even came up in the search results, man. I kept flipping and flipping. So it doesn't really make much sense. Why should a video of someone eating a hot dog with a OnePlus 6T show up before the video with the OnePlus 6T iPhone XS camera comparison? Doesn't really make much sense. Now this video is 7 minutes long. Now I'm trying to keep this short. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Today's Tuesday, T-Mobile Tuesday. Go get your free tacos, T-Mobile customers, and get your free $10 Lyft ride. T-Mobile is really kicking it with that T-Mobile Tuesday specials, man. So I probably gotta get back to T-Mobile one of these days. I'm definitely in when I get my stuff together, or maybe when I make it big into the the tech world. Who knows? So this is Alter Tech signing out. Let me know what you think. Please comment. I'm gonna read every single comment. I'm gonna try to give you guys the best experience or the best tech report on the Samsung Galaxy S10 event. I'm bringing in my DSLR. I'm bringing in all the good hardware and stuff, and I'll try to give you guys some really good damn bokeh roll and whatnot. This is Alter Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful Tuesday. Be safe, drive safe, and stay warm. It's going to be warm today. It's going to be 60. Yeah, it's going to be 65 degrees. You guys, all right, just stay safe, guys. Stay safe, and I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye.